Morgan here. So today I'm going to give you a tour of my greenhouse 4 months after it was built. And I gotta tell you, I'm super impressed with this greenhouse. It may be small, but it is mighty. I have been able to produce so many things in here, and I'm super excited to finally start transplanting things into the garden, which I'll be having a garden update here soon. But I want to show you, first of all, this screen door that I installed. This is a screen door in which it actually just kind of tacks around the wood there. We stapled it too, just to make sure. I've had 40-mile-per-hour gusts on this screen door, and it hasn't opened. It's actually magnetic. This is magnetic, and it's great screen door. It keeps bugs and birds out, but it allows that nice airflow. And in the summer, we're planning to get a fan or an exhaust. Not really sure which one, kind of going back and forth. Maybe a fan and an exhaust, I don't know. But anyway, this has been great so that I can open the door, let additional air in, and that nice airflow. And then I have the 3 windows on the side that are almost open like immediately as soon as I get up in the morning, just because it's starting to get warmer. But I will say one last thing before we go inside. Again, I've been super impressed with this greenhouse just for the sheer fact that, again, we've had up to 40-plus-mile-per-hour winds in this past 4 months, and this greenhouse hasn't moved a bit. The panels and such haven't moved a bit. They are solid, and I'm just really impressed with it. A couple ants have gotten in, but I sprinkle coffee grounds on the ground, and they're gone. They scatter. I don't see any more after I put the coffee grounds on the ground. So anyway, let me show you what we got going. Step into my greenhouse. Woo! All right, what we got going on here? Okay, so this is blackberries. I am planning on transplanting them. I just haven't yet. They're in here. I'm trying to grow tea, like a tea tree, but they have not germinated yet. It's been a couple months. I'm kind of worried about them. These are my peppers. They're doing all right. These 2 are doing the best. I think I have to weed them out a little bit. But, okay. So I'm trying to, these are kind of new. All of these that you see, they're kind of new. This is going to be, like, all of these in these black containers here are kind of like my chicken garden. All this stuff that I'm growing in these black containers are for my chickens right now. Of course, if I want to pick some off for myself, I will, but, okay, so I got some borage. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I got some sage. It's growing, it's growing. Whoops, mint, yay, mint is growing. I'm so excited. Basil, I got a lot of basil. And then, I'm trying to grow eggplant. That's actually for us. That's actually not for the chickens. I hear eggplant is difficult to start, but whatever, I'm gonna try anyway. What's this, mint? Yeah, mint. More basil, borage, cilantro. Again, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but yeah, doing good. This actually used to be lettuce, and then I wanted it was getting on its last leg, so I just kind of stopped growing it. I used to have spinach in here. We had a huge thing of spinach, and we ate it and gave it to the chickens. It was good. Now I'm growing mixed greens. I just got it from someone, and it just says mixed greens, so it's doing great though. Looks good. I am trying to grow an olive tree from seed. So far not successful, but I hear that they need like really consistent heat, and we've had 30-40 degree temps at night, but they need like real hot weather, so I'm hoping that they'll start growing here in the summer. And then there's fennel up here. What is this? Parsley. That hasn't sprouted yet, but fennel's doing pretty good. Let's see, I think this is lemon balm. A little bit there. There's a little one. Hello, little sprout. This is ground cherry. I don't know if they're doing good. They've been kind of stunted like this for a couple months. I don't know. I've tried to do whatever I can for them, but I think I just need to transplant them. So this is all broccoli. It's doing good. I need to transplant it. I don't know, I spilled some seeds or something, but they're like, they're not growing good, but they're growing from the little tiny bit of dirt and water from there. I have no idea what it is. I have no idea what is growing. I think it's funny, and I'm just letting it do its thing. Okay, so there's more mint over here. Mint is a slow sprouter, I guess. Look, there's one. I actually didn't see that until just now. Yay! I love mint. Mint is my favorite. Chickens may not be getting a lot of mint because I may be taking it. This is calendula. Isn't it beautiful? It's just started to bloom. I love it. There's another bloom right there. This had too many in here, so I pulled one out. I think I need to pull another one out. It's just too much for this little pot. These are all tomatoes, and then a couple peppers. These peppers, they're not doing fantastic. They're not doing terrible either. Let's see, this is lemon. No, this is plantain. I'm hoping to transplant this outside. Plantain actually is really good in the desert. It kind of grows naturally or wild in the desert. So I'm hoping I can transplant this outside. That'd be great. This is ginger. I've seen literally no activity with ginger. I'm really hoping I'm doing okay with it because I don't know. These are peanuts. My peanuts are doing fantastic. They just look gorgeous. They look great. I'm just super, super happy with how my peanuts are growing. And also I love these grow bags, by the way. I had these out on for my potatoes and strawberries too. Grow bags for the win. All right, well, that's pretty much it, I think. What I would really like to do is get some more shelves up there. Grow more stuff. I don't know what I would grow up there. Something short. I don't know, maybe something viney. I don't know. If you guys have any like greenhouse specific plants that you think I should grow, let me know. I'm always looking for ideas. And yeah, but I'm really, really happy with this. And also I haven't turned on the buddy heater lately, but the buddy heater's just been primo, beautiful, wonderful. And I haven't turned it on lately because it's been like 40s and 50s at night. And you just really need to turn the heater on just to keep it from freezing. Oh, and my aloe. I didn't show you my aloe plant. It's doing all right. I think it's doing okay. I don't know. Poor little aloe plant. It was doing beautiful inside. And then I took it outside and it was like, no. But that was like months ago. But it looks good. I think it's growing more from the inside there. So I have to assume it's doing okay. I don't know. And my banana plant, pretty sure it's dead, but I keep watering it. People tell me it'll come back. I don't believe them. But I keep watering it. So I'm thrilled with this greenhouse. I'm really thrilled with the way that it's been working. And I've been trying to be preventative with pests. They can still get in a greenhouse. And with this screen, birds can't get in. Birds are my greatest enemy here. I mean, truly, they're my greatest enemy. And so anything I can do to keep them away. Oh, I also have blueberries over there. I'll show you later. When I do a whole garden tour and stuff, I'll show you all that later. So my next idea is to use our old greenhouse frame and actually use like these panels, these types of panels and things to actually go over it or something. Not plastic. I don't want plastic or anything like that because it's not good with the wind. It needs to be really solid. And so my next idea is to do a tropical trees. So I want like the cocoa plants, and I want vanilla bean, and I want orange, and I want to do banana. I want to try the banana again. I want just all I want coffee. I want tropical trees, and I'm going to make that, and I'm going to get, if I had to get dwarf trees, fine. I just want tropical plants. I want those tropical trees so that we can start producing that stuff. A lot of this stuff takes a while to grow, a couple of years or more. So I want to get this stuff in there in the tropical greenhouse and get those trees growing. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any other ideas of what I can grow in this greenhouse or in the future tropical tree greenhouse. And anyway, let me know. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.